Did you know that most water utilities are increasing their chloramine usage in your tap water? It's a lot like chlorine, but with harmful ammonia added, not to mention common contaminants like fluoride, lead, or PFOAs, and that trend is only getting worse. But there is hope. In this review, we'll take a closer look at the features of the SpringWell whole house water filter to see how a point-of-entry filter system can provide fresh, contaminant-free water throughout your entire home. As always, we'll include additional information and exclusive direct discounts in the description box below. With over 20 years of experience, the SpringWell whole house water filter is the perfect solution for removing 99.6% of those harmful contaminants found in municipal water supplies. The 4-stage system uses the highest quality catalytic carbon and certified KDF media to allow for the most contact time between the filtration media and the water. This means each stage of the filter media removes more contaminants than any other system, so you end up with better water quality than even bottled water. In Stage 1, water pushes through the KDF media to remove harmful chemicals such as chloramine, as well as many other chemicals found in municipal water. Stage 2 uses the catalytic carbon media to remove organic contaminants, including chlorine, VOCs, pesticides, and much more. Finally, in Stage 3, the innovative flex bed eliminates channeling while producing, again, more contact time. As an extra line of defense, water passes through the separate 5-micron sediment filter to remove sand, silt, and clay particles. Made for the long term, SpringWell is one of the only water filter manufacturers to use certified components in all of their systems for maximum reliability and durability. Many competitors leave water pressure as an afterthought, causing water pressure issues when you're using several appliances at one time. If you're washing dishes, showering, and cleaning clothes simultaneously, that is going to be a problem. But with SpringWell systems, you get nearly twice the flow rate of some competitors. The SpringWell filter system comes in 3 configurations for optimal performance. Each one comes with a massive 1 million gallon capacity. The CF1 is for 1 to 3 bathrooms. It includes a tank that is 9 inches wide, 48 inches tall, with a service flow rate of 11 gallons per minute to provide plenty of filtered water for municipal uses all at once. The CF4 for 4 to 6 bathrooms. This system includes a tank that is 10 inches wide, 54 inches tall, and a flow rate of 12 gallons per minute. Finally, the CF Plus for over 7 bathrooms. This unit has a tank 13 inches wide, 54 inches tall, and a huge flow rate of 20 gallons per minute. The SpringWell whole house system is the most reliable city water filter on the market today. It's made in the USA using only high-quality, certified components. It's designed to completely remove the nasty contaminants found in municipal sources. Here are some of the key features included with the SpringWell water softener system to make it one of the best options on the market. Oversized tank and high-capacity valves. This is the primary filtration media tank in the system. The larger capacity and higher pressure in this tank allows it to filter more contaminants than a smaller filter housing. The valve is easy to install and fits with the filtration tank. A fine mesh sediment filter is included that will remove big impurities such as dirt, rust, and grit that can clog your entire system. This can last up to 6 months depending on the water quality in your home. The installation kit includes all required parts for installation, including a manifold valve. This kit will include the valves and other necessary parts, as well as instructions to make it easy. Last but not least, this system comes with a lifetime warranty on tanks, valves, and housings, so you can be sure that it will last for years to come. Additionally, there's a 6-month money-back guarantee, no questions asked. Installing the SpringWell water softener system is a relatively easy task that can be completed in a few hours by most DIY folks. The system comes with an installation kit that includes everything you need to get the unit up and running. You just need to provide your own piping and fittings to attach to the system. If you're not as handy, you might consider hiring a plumber. In terms of maintenance, the sediment filter breaks down any large particles that normally clog up the filter tank and the home's appliances. And this filter needs to be replaced every 9 months, but is very inexpensive. Other than that, the system is hands-off. Here are the pros. 4-stage filtering removes 99.6% of city water contaminants. Guaranteed not to drop in water pressure, and a high flow rate of up to 20 gallons per minute. Easily installs with all parts included and minimal maintenance. It's built in the USA with only high-quality, certified components. Lifetime warranty on tanks and valves with a 6-month money-back guarantee. And the cons: you might need a professional installer if you're not a handy DIY person. Sediment filter needs to be replaced every 6 to 9 months. Don't forget to check the description box below for more water filtering information and special discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching and see you next time.